Hey you guys, good afternoon. It is Saturday. I am trying this vlogging thing. I've been trying to vlog for the longest time ever. Excuse my hair right now, it's not doing anything much. But I was on the road today, like early this morning, running some errands, and I'm just like, I feel so tired, guys. It's not even funny. Everybody's asleep. I'm at my mom's house, as you guys can tell from my last video. So I'm just trying to record with my phone since it's what I have to record right now. I want to do a vlog for you guys. So I'm going to see how this vlog turns out because I want to vlog a bit of Mother's Day. So I have a couple things to do. Trying to get them done so that I can kind of enjoy tomorrow. I have a video to edit that's going to be posted on Monday. And then I have some hair to braid. One of my most loyal clients ever, Chanel, she's leaving me and she needs her hair done before she goes, and I'm going to be making my natural glam locks for her. She wants them installed on her, so I have all this hair to turn into lock extensions, and this is the Nora After Twist. This is what I use for my natural glam locks. Now, I told you guys I promised you a video on that, and you guys will definitely get it as soon as I reinstall them, but for now I'm just chilling, you know. As you can see, like, nothing not going with my ear right now. It needs to be washed, but I have a couple hair tutorials to get out to you guys. So right now I am going to set up to edit my video. It's a hair tutorial. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, then you guys will already know what video is coming. Guys, may I try work out the lights. My problem when it comes on to vlogging is I never remember that I'm vlogging. So what ends up happening is may I vlog and then I forget. So I don't remember for like take up the camera and just film something for you guys. So I'm in my old room. So there's the hair on the bed and whatever. I need to edit the video, so I'm going to try to get that done now while everybody's asleep. I'm here with Marla and my little brother. They're both asleep and I am just like, okay, let me get some work done. Let me see if I can show you guys her. So she was creeping until she fell asleep, so now she's like just right there. She's just laying down, and then my brother is asleep in his room. Yeah, so like right now I just really need to go ahead and edit this video. So yeah, I think I'm probably gonna check in again. I don't even know when. I'm just trying to get the vlogging bit working, guys. See, like I have all kind of things to work out, like lighting, angles, and them something there. It's a bit difficult. So yeah, I'm just basically going to try to make the vlogging thing work so that you guys can see more of me. My phone does weird things sometimes, so sometimes the audio might not be perfect. So if I don't end up posting this vlog, just know I had a technical difficulty or something went wrong. I'm so tired, guys. Like, you can hear it in my voice. I'm so tired. For some reason I just feel really drained. Like I did a lot today but I didn't. I even had laundry to do and I didn't do it, so I'm feeling to do that in the morning. But right now I'm going to go edit my video. My laptop there. I'm about to go edit this video and see how much of it I can get edited and see if I can upload it or pre-upload it so that I can post it on Monday. Hey guys, good morning. Alright, so the rain kind of messed up the plans. If you look outside, you'll see that it's kind of cloudy. You guys can't really see, but it's been raining all morning. So basically all the plans that I had to go to church that gone through the window. Couldn't go to church, but we're just here basically getting ready to leave later. So my mom went to church, my dad's cooking, my brother's there with Marla on the bed over there. Say hi, Raj. Oh god. Alright, so basically we'll just chill. You guys probably see this vlog either the middle of the week or Friday. So yeah, this is going to be a late Mother's Day vlog. Oh yeah, today's Mother's Day. It's Sunday, so it's Mother's Day today, guys. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I did everything like to go to church, but it just never really worked out, and I really wanted to go to church today. But happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. You guys know you're very important, so continue to take care of your children and be good mothers to them. It's my first Mother's Day, and that's why I really wanted to go to church, but it didn't happen, so we're just here chilling. So I picked out Marla's outfit and everything, right? So she was supposed to wear this dress. I don't know if I can switch the camera, but she was supposed to wear this dress and she didn't have a headband to match this dress. So I made her a headband. I made her this, and you know, her outfit was planned because she was about to wear black shoes and everything, but it just never worked out. And we didn't go. So in any case, she has this outfit for another occasion, and she has a headband, right? So I want to show you guys some stuff that I got from Abby's Treats. As I said, is here are the cupcakes. Of course, two are missing because my dad helped himself to some, and so did I. These are Abby Day, that's what they're called. And these are red velvet. Let me see. Yeah, these are red velvet ones with cream cheese frosting. They're amazing. Like, these are this is the one I took. This one I tasted this one, and this one is so cute. I don't know, it just says Happy Mother's Day. I think it's a red velvet one too, but this one is a new flavor. This is called Abby Day, and I think the inside of this one is purple, and I tasted it. It tastes real good too. But I will never get over the red velvet, ever. Even the cake, I won't get over the red velvet. So Raj, I can't help yourself now, come. I don't know, say you did want sample the thing. Yeah, so these are, you know, the Mother's Day cupcakes. So thanks again, Abby. You guys should definitely check her out, as I said, because these are awesome. Little outfit of the day. I'm wearing this. It's not a dress, it's actually a skirt that I turned into a dress. I actually made this skirt a couple years ago, but I really love the material. My grandma had left some material behind after she died, and my mom just went ham, and I was like, yo, I love this fabric. So I made this really cute skirt, and I just wear it as a dress today with this little belt that says love, and my wooden hoop earrings that I haven't worn in the longest time, and this ring that my babe bought me like years ago. I don't know what I'm wearing on my feet, but it's like whatever. I'm already in a dress. Most likely it's gonna be slippers or something. But this is the outfit of the day. This is just basically doing nothing too tough today. It's really like nothing special now happened, because the only special thing was supposed to happen was I was supposed to go to church. That's it. So right now I'm just going to do some editing and check in with you guys later. Guys, it's literally raining cats and dogs outside. Someone wants to sleep. I don't know how we're gonna leave or when or what, but it's raining very badly. So I kind of packed up some stuff, but I still have some stuff like left on the bed that I need to pack up. But I'm gonna eat some food and go and chill. We can start about my vlog now? No.
Old clothes give the best picture. Old clothes give the best picture. Mama, they have to get in now.
So I can start about the vlog now?
Everybody love it. I send for me. I'm sorry for you.
Guys, this is my mom and dad. When we come back from church and ting and ting.
You need to get safe. Put that over.
That's why they got to laugh after this one, I know. Yeah, guys, that's my father. When I meet mommy already, but when I never meet daddy, so this
Hi
is
guys.
daddy. Hi.
This is my husband.
Mm-hmm.
But you need to get saved. Please pray for him.
Pray for him.
For myself.
I will get saved soon.
Alright, and Mala, they write this so. And Raj. Alright. So when you say we're going to take a picture?
Yes.
Alright, we're going to take a picture. So guys, I'm finally home. I have a lot of unpacking to do, so I'm about to unpack all this stuff. I hope you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know if you guys like the vlogs, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.